Hi, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great today. I just want to say thank you so much for all your love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my channel. Thank you for always coming back to support me. I deeply appreciate you guys a whole lot. So for today's video, we're gonna be making a snack. It's one of my favorite snacks, especially for the afternoon. This is perfect for the afternoon. It's bell pepper wrapped with bacon and cream cheese. If you don't feel like eating anything heavy in the afternoon, this is perfect for that. So I hope you enjoy the video.